What we have here is a Ninja smoothie maker. Got a Walmart for 80 bucks. When you go online, you see a lot of people, During Rider and all these great guys, but they always use the Vitamix, and those are about 400 bucks. So I want to show you that you can do the fruitarian lifestyle and eat healthy by using a $80 smoothie maker. And the other thing is, you never see people doing frozen bananas. Let's show you how easy this is. What we got here is 12 dates that have been soaking in here for about 5 minutes or so. That just makes it easier to blend these first. And then we have 8 frozen bananas, which I just cut up in little pieces there. So what we're gonna do is blend our dates first. What I like about this thing is that you get the blade all the way through there. So you can see it blends really easy. Now, the dates part actually takes a little bit longer. Now, some people will blend this all the way down to a fine powder. I actually kind of like it chunky. Reminds me of Milky Ways. So just throw your frozen bananas in here. This is so easy. Talk about fast food. Doesn't get any faster than this. And I'm gonna put it all in. One thing is with the frozen ones, you actually have to use a little bit more water. So if you don't use enough water, it won't blend. So it's gonna be a little bit runnier. But it ends up being like a, now watch how easy this is. Pulse it a little bit, get those bananas down there. There we go. See the big chunks in there? There you go. He's done. Now look at that. This is great. Smooth. Stick your straw in. You're ready to go. I'll actually take the blade out of here and I'm ready to eat. That's it. So 80 bucks at Walmart. Frozen bananas. Why frozen bananas? Because you can take your bananas, wait till they're ripe, stick them all in the freezer. You don't have to have it sitting outside, getting all kinds of fruit flies. This way you can just stock up your freezer, buy them on sale, freeze them. There you go. It's that easy. Keep all your nutrition. Have a good day. Buy yourself a smoothie maker. They actually have a newer model out. This is last year's model. Have a good day.